Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
They want to bulldoze the state government totally. They want to play only the political vendetta. Who has taken this decision? This is illegal, unconstitutional. And we do not know who are their political advisors. Maybe some political advisor, this Prime Minister and Home Minister. It's really danger for the country. And it is not only they are going to bulldoze the federal structure, they are going to the moral of the bureaucrats throughout the country. Please remember, if the top officer of the state, he gets this type of humiliation, insultation, the behavior after working full of life, dedicated full of his life for the government, for the public, and after that, central government cannot force him to join Government of India without his consent, or the consent is without the consent of the state government, the detailed consultation. What message Modi government is giving to the country? They want to create disaster for the federal structure. They want to damage the bureaucracy. Not only Alapan Bandyopadhyay, I thanks to him that he has taken his own decision before that. But why the Chief Secretary to SDO, SDO to BDO, the central government, whenever they will desire, they will call them? Are they the bonded labor? They are not. Central government cadre, we respect them. State government cadres, we respect. You can call central pool cadres, but without state consultation, you cannot. I can call also, there are so many Bengal cadres officers are working in the central government. If we confront like this, what will be the future of this country? Mr. Prime Minister, Mr. Busy Prime Minister, Mr. Mon Ki Baat Prime Minister, what you want? What you want to finish me? Can you do it? Never and ever. Until and unless people give me the support, you cannot. Even I will appeal all the state government, all the opposition state government, and all the senior leaders of this country, and all the NGOs, all the intellectuals, all the political persons, all the IS and IPS, please be together. And state service officer also, please be together and fight the battle. It is not only the battle of Alapan Bandyopadhyay. This battle is for all the bureaucracy, all the bureaucrats. Bureaucrats are afraid now. They cannot even ask them a question. Only two syndicate members, these two, whatever they can decide, that is the law. It never said, even if somebody go to the court, the court will not give support also. So far my knowledge is concerned, I am also as a lawyer speaking. I am also as a lawyer. And I am the High Court, Kolkata High Court, the live member of Bar Council also. So as a just common lawyer or just as a commoner, what we can guess? Nobody can give this type of order. It is very unfortunate, unconstitutional, undermining the subversive and all this. I cannot accept all this. Even nobody can accept all this. In order to utilize his valuable experience, it is proposed that Shri Alapan Bandyopadhyay may be appointed as Chief Advisor to Honorable Chief Minister with effect from 1/6/2021, from tomorrow, for a period of 3 years. Not 3 months, 3 years.